My name's Michelle, and I'm one of the children's librarians for the Sonoma County Library System. And I'm going to talk about the March Take and Make Craft Kit today. You're going to get one of these super cool postcards that we're going to scratch a design onto with one of these wooden stylus and 2 markers. So you got to think of what you're going to draw in here. So let's think. I got it. I've decided I'm going to draw a sun. You can see all the really cool rainbow there. Put some sunshine rays. There's my sun. And you know what? I'm going to put a little face on my sun. Some eyes. And maybe a little cloud over here. And another little cloud. It's pretty fun. You can do whatever you like on here. So remember, you'll have a stamped postcard and you'll have an address from one of our partnered 16 senior centers, and you can write a really nice message that'll go to one of our seniors in our community. So I'm going to write something. Have some pretty cool. Once you're done, ask a grown-up to help you take it to the post office or drop it off in a mailbox, just like this. And it'll go to one of our seniors in our community. So stay tuned to get more information on our Send Our Seniors mail program.
Hello everyone, and thank you Michelle for creating such a cute postcard. My name is Carrie and I'm an adult services librarian at Sonoma County Library. This month's Take and Make craft is extra special because it benefits the Sonoma County senior community as well as being a fun and creative outlet for our youth. The postcards are pre-addressed to senior facilities within Sonoma County that will then distribute your postcards to senior residents who would love and appreciate some surprise mail coming their way. The Sonoma County Library has partnered with 17 senior centers and living facilities who are excited to distribute your postcards as well as any other mail you'd like to send them. We hope this project will spread joy to both the makers as well as the recipients. The ongoing Send Our Seniors mail program was started in December of 2020, and we hope to continue reaching out to our isolated elders as long as possible. Please check out the list of participating partners at sonomalibrary.org and continue to send postcards and letters to the facilities listed on our website. Thank you so much for joining us today, and visit our YouTube channel as well as our website for new library content and events. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.